Charlie, sit. Charlie, sit. You ready?
Yep. Diz up.
Charlie,
Stay.
Down.
Wait for it.
Ready? Dizzy, get back. Get back.
Get back up.
Up. Ready?
Ready. Rubbish throw that was.
We got to the place we found on Park for night, and it was a really nice location, but unfortunately it was...
Boys!
Shh.
Shush! Hey! We're coming now.
It was a really nice location. Ready?
Yeah.
It was a really nice location, but unfortunately it was... And then it got late, so we just found the final spot where we parked tonight. Still a sign saying...
Last night. Final spot then.
Yeah. Got late. We found it got late. We found the spot where we parked last night.
So I think we're just going to drive towards Rahichi.
Here we go again. Ravinji
today, and we need to exchange some money. I'm worried about what he's saying.
So yeah, we're just going to head to Ravinji, exchange some money.
You got a little scrap.
No, trouble solving.
What is it? Toothpaste outside.
Oh, darling!
Sorry, you got toothpaste. You don't want. You've got attitude problem. Don't flop when you've got attitude problem. Stop it! It's upside down now, isn't it?
Now the camera's upside down. Take 5.
Be happy. So yeah, very excited about Croatia.
We've seen some amazing cities, big impressive cities, national parks, lakes. Yeah, it's been... That's one thing I love about new countries, is little pick and mix bread. So we've got various types of bread here for breakfast. Like a pretzel type thing with seeds.
Take that all with us, because we're going to get hungry cycling 8 kilometres there and 8 kilometres back.
So we didn't have any beers out until we got to Czech and north of Czech.
We did.
Okay. So apart from the World Cup, we didn't really have any beers out. We're not going to show you the cycling again. You're probably sick of seeing us on our bikes cycling around cities and around into... I can't speak.
Yeah, you don't actually want red wine cold. You want it kind of room temperature, you know. So you just have to put your wine in your bed with you, sleep with your red wine overnight, and then, you know, just keep it with you all day, basically. So it's a nice room temperature when you go to drink it at lunchtime, no, at night, in the evening.
Just put it down your pants, put it down your leggings, a bottle down each leg, get it nice and warm, or just dress it as a little lady dog, and then Dizzy will just snuggle up to it, keep it warm, with a little warm belly, and then it's perfect temperature. There's some tips for free, they're for free.
Free tips on how to keep your red wine room temperature in a van.
Here he is, yay! No. This is a total and a summary of what we spent in 6 months.
Alright.
Well, you just started saying my bit.
Oh shit.
You do this all the time.
So what was I supposed to say?
So these totals just include day-to-day spendings on the road. You've got to... I'm rubbish now.
I can do it if you want.
So these calculations just include what we spent on the road in 6 months. There's not many options to choose from. People want to choose one to suit themselves, and everyone's circumstances vary.
Yes. But now with the new roaming laws, you can use your internet pretty much all over Europe. We do have a small contract with Spain. We do have a small We do have a small internet
contract.
Probably won't use all that. So we do plan on making a comparison video. So comparison.
Comparing.
I'm going to say that and then you're going to finish it because I can't use words. So I'm going to start, okay?
You can't use words.
No. So we do plan on making a comparison video. So if you've got any questions on what we've talked about here, pop them in the comments. Happy to answer any questions. Just said that, didn't
I actually call it the nutty slab. I mean, it looks interesting, doesn't it?
Peanut butter raisins.
Peanut butter raisins, brown sugar. See, that's where it fell apart. Well, Sarah's been at it in the middle of the night.
Because it was so nice.
It's alright though.
Bit burnt one side.
It tastes better than it looks. Ooh, look at that.
It does actually taste quite nice.
Do you want some sent to you? Then give us your address.
Ready?
Yeah, it's recording.
Are you waiting for me? Okay. Alright, morning.
So this is where we stayed last night. It's just alongside a fjord, a really huge fjord. Oh, here we go, here come the mistakes.
We are heading to the oldest town in Slovenia for our first stop. The name is Siskia or something.
No.
C-E-S-K-J-L-E. C-E-J-L-E. Sigil. We'll say Sigil. Anyway. Yes. Diz up.
Charlie,
stay.
Down.
Wait for it.
Ready? Dizzy, get back.
Get back up.
Ready?
Ready. Rubbish throw that was.
Okay, ready? Keep back. Ready? Oh, they're all rubbish throws.
Not your fault, not Dizzy's fault.
You go out there and do it then.
Not hard, is it?
Everyone he caught before.
Oh, try again. Oh, lovely, absolutely lovely. This is like the hold on one second, let me remember the name of the bay. It is not Long Bay. Hold on.
Do you want to phone a friend?
Can you remind me?
Okay, is it Lovers Bay? A, is it Lonely Bay?
Lone Bay.
Lone Bay is the correct answer.
Yes, sorry, Long Bay.
And for €2,
Long Bay was stuck in my head. So this is Long Bay. It's just
Lone Bay.
Lone. Right, okay.
Take two.
Come on, Diz.
Charlie, come here. Dizzy up there. Charlie here. Dizzy, get up there. Up there. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh.
Rubbish
One more,
throws.
that's it. Ready, Diz? Long distance one.
A rubbish throw.
I'm not doing it anymore. I'm not doing it. I did it perfectly every time you weren't filming.
So, as you can see, we're here at Pezin. Wait there 1 second. It is called Pezin. Pazin, that was close enough. Okay, so here we are at Pazin, and as you can see behind me, wonderful views of the chasm, which is like a cliff area.
Povec Old Town. It's like a mini Ravinji.
Porek. See me correcting him.
Oh my god,
Porek.
oh my god, oh my
Yes.
god. It's the weather, isn't it? It's this grey weather, it just sends my head all funny.
The roles are reversed.
Porek.
So we're quite excited to go and see, we're going to see Florence and Bologna, and anyway, you'll see in the vlogs to come where we actually go. So
Great vlog, darling.
yes, back to my husband.
Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.
I know you're filming me.